Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2022 Pink Box hair accessory subscription box unboxing. I love this subscription box and I'm so excited to get into it. This is a box that I've been getting for a little while now and I just think it is so cute and so fun, and I am so grateful that Pink Box sends me this box for free. As you know on my channel, I always let you know when something is sent to me for free and if it's a sponsored video, and this is not a sponsored video. I just love to share my unboxings of this. And I do have a 10% off discount code. The code is Christy10 to save 10% on your subscription. And a little bit more information that I have here, and then I swear I'll get right into unboxing this. So this is the Fawn box. That's the theme of the box. I love the cute themes. It has 21 pieces of hair accessories for both short and long hair. And you also get one gift item in your box, and you can sign up for the monthly subscription, which is only $23.99 a month, which is pretty great for how much you get in here. But you can also prepay for multiple months up front, and you can save some money that way. So now let's go ahead and see what is in my box, which look at how cute the packaging is. Ooh, oh, and here is the free gift on top. It's a really beautiful brush. And so everything is in this adorable mesh baggie, which is also great for travel. If you're packing a bunch of hair accessories, keep them all together in this bag. And so this free gift is so on theme. It's this really pretty, kind of like a shell or marble looking brush. Very nice. I always need a new brush because I feel like my brushes are they get so like covered in hair, and as much as I try and clean them out, I can really only keep a brush for a short amount of time, it seems like. But so now let's get into the accessories. I am loving this kind of neutral browns type of theme. So we've got this really cute headband. I'm like, I need a hair accessory for today. Maybe I'll put the headband in for now. A cute scrunchie. I live in scrunchies. Oh, I love this huge bow clip. This is so cute, and it's actually like a really similar shade to my hair, so I feel like it would look really cute in my hair. I'm so excited to wear this bow. Am I wearing my headband right? Am I supposed to like leave hair out or push it all back? I don't know. Maybe personal preference. Oh, I have not worn a headband in so long, and I love the feel of it. This is so fun. Okay, there are some more adorable pieces in here. Like, this is so cute. This is like a matte hair clip. Like, the finish of it is really cool. So trendy. I love it. And lastly, we have this whole case here of Henju hair bands, strong elasticity, 25 pieces. I feel like I'm always needing new little hair elastics. And let's see what these are like. Very nice, very soft, very stretchy. And I love the colors in here because they're nice, neutral, that I don't even have to worry about what color I'm reaching for in here. So cute. I feel like these are going to be really gentle on the hair as well, which is important to me. Everything is so adorably cohesive. So many cute pieces. And I'm loving my headband in my hair. And this color story, I feel like it's just so perfect to go with my hair color. I feel like it was made for me. This is so fun. So let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite types of hair accessories to wear right now? Like, are you into scrunchies, headbands, hair clips? I would love to get some hairstyle inspiration from you all in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.